YouTube, what is up? So, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G smartphone.
Hold up.
Now, I've been using Apple since, it was my first smartphone, 2007 with the 3GSs. And I've dabbled with Android with the Pixel 6 Pro when it first came out.
Wait a minute.
At that time, I wasn't really too impressed with Android. But, I don't know. Let's unbox it and let's get into it. Now, full disclosure, I'm not really switching from my iPhone.
Welcome back, Captain Obvious.
To the Android. No, I bought this for my brother. My brother, he has the Motorola G 2023. He doesn't like the cameras on it, and I think he was saying something about the screen. So I did some research for him, and I thought this one, might be a little bit better. For under $200. The 2025 Motorola G, it was also under $200. But I did hear that this one's got, the cameras are a little bit better, although they're both 50 megapixel, and I heard that the screen was better, but performance a little slower, but all he does is, listen to music and, just wants to take pictures and Facebook. Guy's older than I am. Oh my God! Okay, so let's go ahead and let's unbox it. I don't know too much about it. That's why I've got my iPhone over here. Oh, haven't had to use this in a minute. So let's go here and down here. Alrighty. So Galaxy A17 5G, popping it open, and let's see, what do we got? Some books and stuff. I'm guessing. Oh, SIM card. Ooh, because this is eSIM or SIM tray. I remember those days. And you get a USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Not the greatest. It's not like an Apple with the braided cables, and it's got the little kink there where it fastens. I don't think the iPhone cables do that. So yeah, you get a USB-C cable. Whoop. So the SIM ejection tool, some paperwork. We've got the phone right here, and that's it. That's all that comes in the box. No charging brick. Apple, Samsung, Sony, effing Sony. Shout out to Flossie. If you guys want to real reviews of Android phones, the newer ones that come out and all, that's the man. I'm going to leave a link to his channel, his YouTube channel, down in the description. You show up for the reviews and you stay for the white shoes. Okay, so now let's go ahead. Let's take a look here. What kind of unwrapping? What's going on here? I guess you just rip it. Rip it. Rip. What am I doing wrong? Rip it. That's frustrating. And maybe I'm supposed to do it from here. Oh, okay. You do it on the side, and then you take it on off. Oh, I can tell right now it's so light compared to my iPhone. There's a look at it. Now I know the Apple polishing cloth, it's not made for Samsungs, but it'll work just as fine.
I know, right? I know.
So there it is. I got the black. There's black and there's blue. I got this at Best Buy. It's $180, so it was pretty cool. And you can pick it up online if you want. And there's 3 cameras, 50 megapixel. What's the cameras? And then an ultra wide camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel wide camera, and a 2 megapixel micro camera.
You sure about that?
Macro camera. Get it right. Okay, damn! And then you got a flash here, and then you got a little Samsung branding right there. And what else looking around here? Fingerprint readers here on the side or something like that. And there's your SIM and USB Type-C, 1 speaker. Good thing I showed my brother how to use Bluetooth. I know he does a lot of the speaker talk like this, So hopefully the speakers aren't too crappy. Single camera right here, a little notch there. Oh, let's power it. How do we turn it on? I guess we just hold it here. See if it comes on. Is that it? Or wait, or is it this one? Is this the power? Which one's the power? Is it dead? Is this gonna be the shortest video ever? Oh, there it goes. Bzz. It vibrated. All right, so while that's booting up, we talked about the cameras. The front camera is a 13 megapixel. What else does it say about it here? Clear video and photos even at night. Oh, well, there you go. Oh, and this thing will come with 6 years of security updates, which is pretty cool. I know the Moto was like 3 years. Splash protection, IP54, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. 5G, of course, 5G. Let's get started. Start with English. So I don't know, do I have to agree to everything? Agree. I don't have, that one's optional. I don't have to agree to that one. So, oh. No, I just say agree. A little bit of a wobble. Easy setup with another device. Yeah, we'll just set up manually, I guess. Then I gotta choose a Wi-Fi network. Got it connected to the Wi-Fi.
Excellent.
We'll set up later because I don't have all of his phone information. I just want to get on this phone. If we're comparing like the weight of the phone compared to the iPhone, that'll be fun. iPhone 17 Pro Max weighs in at 247 grams, while the Samsung Galaxy 5G, Samsung Galaxy A17 5G, it weighs 190 grams. That's a lot lighter.
I like it a lot.
Put in the Google address, email address, verification, all that happiness. Don't back up. And let's see. Press and hold the side button to talk to Gemini and use your voice. Do I do that now? Nope. Okay. Go hands-free, say, hey Google. Sure. It's getting the phone ready. Signing into a Samsung account. Sure. Samsung account wants additional access to your Google account. So do you have to select all of those? See your age group? See and download your exact date of birth? What? I don't want to. Maybe you have to. I don't know. I'm gonna be erasing this phone anyways. That sucks. I'm gonna hit sure for all of them. God, what else is this? Samsung terms of service, sure. Notice of financial incentives, no. This is all optional. Auto blocker. Blocks apps from unverified sources, okay. Get customized stickers, search results, routines. Sure. Agree. So choose my mode, dark mode. I'm all set. Go to home.
Well, we're waiting.
Oh. It's loading. Nice. Where is that finger? Let's see, lock screen. Oh, here we go. Lock screen, biometrics. It is a little bit sluggish, but maybe that is because it's loading. Although that's what I heard was one of the differences between the Moto 5 and this one, is this one's a little bit more sluggish. You get better camera. Well, I believe they're both 50 megapixel, but you know, it's Samsung, so camera's supposed to be a little bit better and a better display. The Moto 5 is 120 hertz refresh rate, and this one's only 90, but I think it's an LCD panel. This is an OLED panel, something like that. I mean, it looks good. I'm left-handed, so the fingerprint reader would have to be my index finger. Luckily, my brother's right-handed, so it should work okay for him. Oh wait, which one is it? This is the bottom one. Move your finger around the sensor to register your finger. Oh, register. So let's try it this way. Nah, it's just, I'm just gonna do it like I'm right-handed. So you're supposed to move it around and around, up and down and around. Nice. Oh yeah. Just rub it. Just rub it.
That's suspicious.
Fingerprint added. Done. Test it. Great, your fingerprint was recognized. Awesome. So this puts it to sleep, right? Which one of these put, no, that's the volume. This one puts it to sleep. And then that one, okay. So sleep. Look at those fingerprints. Okay, that's all right. It also has facial recognition. Facial recognition. Well, it's my PIN number.
Dun, dun, dun.
Convenient way to unlock your phone and verify yourself in apps. Your face data is secured by Knox. Whoever Knox is. Look directly at the camera, then tilt your head up and then down.
We're waiting.
Oh, I see. It's kind of slow. So position. Take off your glasses. Tell me what to do. Now I can't read it. Oh shoot, I can't read it. Okay, so up and down. Up and down and around. I can't read what it wants me to do. Position your face in the frame. Okay, is my face in the frame? Is it because I'm wearing a hat? I don't want you guys to see my hair. It's horrible. There, it worked. Awesome. So let's see if that worked. Whoops, wrong button. So the facial recognition didn't work. Oh, there it goes. It worked. It took a second. But the fingerprint sensor, it's okay. And the facial recognition, or the face unlock, it's okay. Let's take a look at the camera. Let's do some Han Solo pictures. Processing. Takes a minute. Portrait. Fun. Just for funsies. Change the look and reimagine the world with unique Snapchat lenses. Oh, okay. Well, sure, whatever. Wait, can you not slide? You have to hit it? There's video. What kind of video recording does this thing have? Oh, if I didn't say, this is a 6.7 inch display, rounded corners, resolution 1080 by 2340, Super AMOLED, recording resolution, there it is. 19 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. I got it now. Full HD resolution will record at 1920, and then the regular high definition records at 1080. Right. Exactly. My son. So there you go. Fingerprint magnet, very light, very cool, and it does record. There's Han. So where's the volume? Oh. Why is the volume off? does record. There's Han. Not the greatest speakers. But you know, it's like I said, I got it for 180 bucks. I just wanted to take some good pictures. That screen is tight though. So I don't know, I think my brother's gonna enjoy this. I don't know what else to talk about. I got this and I wanted to unbox it because I've never owned a Galaxy phone. Oh, 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Worst unboxing ever. Guys, thanks for stopping by. Peace and love.